Fun! This is our new channel where my brother, Connor, this dude, and I, Jamie, me, cook or bake gluten-free foods. It is unscripted and we hope you enjoy watching our videos. If you have any requests as to what we should bake or cook, comment down below. Maybe we'll cook or bake it. Now, let's take a look at why you should be interested in our channel.
Our channel is filled with gluten, dairy-free foods designed for either special needs, palates, dieting people, or just because it tastes good. The food we make will mostly be baked goods, but there might be a few cooked items. And the best part, we get to eat the food when we're done.
Booyah. This has been Jamie and Connor's new channel, Gluten Free Fun. Make sure to thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so you can be notified about future videos. We hope you enjoy our channel and have an amazing day. Thanks for watching!